Hi friends, welcome back to our channel Zazen Tarot Space. Scorpio, what is July 2023 bringing for Scorpio? What special gifts, what new things, and what challenges are coming your way in this month? Let us look at your reading, Scorpio. Your first card, Eight of Cups. You want to move away towards something new. In this month, you would want to look for newer things in life. Probably you do not want to take interest in something that is being offered, that is on offer, or something like a past relationship. May not be something, maybe someone, but you have this urge inside you this month to search for something more. Okay, Nine of Pentacles. Financially, it's a fantastic month for you. You will be enjoying money. You will be self-reliant. You will enjoy the company of those that you enjoy the company of, and you will have enough to share this month. So I do see enjoyment, but I think it is more of being with yourself rather than necessarily being with someone. And your last card is the Six of Pentacles. Here again, I see you in a good position to be able to help someone. This month you'll be able to lend a helping hand. If some of you need help, then this month will bring you that help. That could be financial help. It could be help in any area. You want to learn something, understand something, you're a student. You will find that help coming to you easily. So your first three tarot cards. Now let us look at how you're feeling. What are your moods like? So two cards. Now that's your first card. Guilt. Okay. Scorpio, you are an intense zodiac. And when you feel something, you feel it with all of intensity. And I see you feeling guilt, and that also is literally gnawing at your conscience. And it will happen with intensity. So I feel something from the past is chewing on your mind this month. And participation. So you will be able to contribute, you will feel comfortable, except for this part. In general, you're feeling comfortable and at peace. Not a bad mood to be in. Okay, now let us look at what you need to focus on in this month. What should be your prime area of concern? Labyrinth. Transition to a higher level of being, raising your energetic vibration, enlightenment. Okay, that's a very spiritual guidance for you, Scorpio. Scorpio, also said to be the sign which transcends and rises from the scorpion to the eagle, rises above. Here again, this card says that this month your focus should be on taking yourself, uplifting yourself. Let us look at some more positive messages about what you may need to release and other positive messages. So pay close attention to your patterns and let go of those that are merely reactions to life. Break the old patterns, Scorpio. My dear Scorpio friend, the first step to breaking a pattern is to realize and see the pattern. So identify your patterns, especially those that are not serving you, and try to live more moment to moment is what this card suggests. Okay, I want to pull out a very positive card for you. What do I know without knowing why or how? Crack the walnut tree. Now, this card, for a moment, it may sound a little complex. What do I know without knowing why or how? So if I don't know why I know something, or if I don't know how I know something, then what is it that I know? That's your intuition at work. Because it is only those unexplainable intuitive things where you say, I don't know why, I don't know how, but I just feel something great is happening this week for me. Or I don't know why I know it, I don't know how I know it, but I just know that best friend of mine is feeling fantastic and ecstatic and something good is happening to them. Those intuitive feelings which come through the cracks of our mind. So a very strong indication for you, Scorpio, to connect to your intuitive and your higher selves and release any negativity. Repeatedly, I am seeing that the cards are suggesting that you look at life more spiritually this month. So this is your general reading for this month, Scorpio. Now let's move on to the next reading where we will see how each area of your life is doing in this month. So Scorpio, let us look at your first card. What's coming for Scorpio? Oh wow, Ace of Swords. Undoubtedly one of the best cards to pull up in this position. Scorpio, you are feeling victorious. You will be successful. And you will come across as a strong person this month. Someone who stands for their ethics, their principles, who fights for what is right, who is able to cut through the cobwebs of lies and reach the truth. Very strong card you will come across to the world. You will be perceived as someone very strong this month. Lovely image to have. Second card. Okay. 10 of coins. Lovely, lovely card in this position again. Fantastic time in terms of finances. You will have all that you need. Income will be great, inflow will be fantastic, and not only that, you will have the money, but you will be able to enjoy it with all your loved ones. Especially, you will find yourself wanting to enjoy your finances and your resources with your family, with your relatives, extended family. The focus will be enjoying with your kith and kin. Even your way of communicating will stay very practical and happy and optimistic this month. Five of Coins. I'm afraid you may feel that your younger sibling, you are reaching out to your younger siblings, but you are not really being able to connect with them. Also, you may feel that you want to work at things, you want to work hard and put in all the good effort, but somehow your efforts are not reaching where they are meant to reach. The Devil card. Any property deals, buying of vehicles, any kind of investment in real estate or upgrading your house, etc., you need to be careful there. I see two things here. See, the venom that a snake carries and the attraction and the pull that a snake carries. We want to be careful not to be harmed by that. Things that are too attractive and too good to be true, we want to steer clear of those things. So you need to be careful of any such matters where you may be trading related to the properties, houses, land deals, and any kind of purchase of something big or even small concerned with making your life more comfortable. Anything that you're purchasing, you need to be careful of what you're purchasing, and you need to be sure that it's not in any way deceptive, wrong, or you should not get trapped by something which seems to be something but in reality is something else. Plus, be watchful of how you are feeling in your heart. Try and keep yourself positive. There is a risk of you turning a little bitter in your heart this month, Scorpio. Justice card. Okay. So, I see that your children will stay strong and ethical just like you. Your thoughts and mind, your intellect, which is basically leading you, that itself is in the mood to stay strong and ethical, which is why you're coming across as that this month. Four of Coins. Not a good month for loans. If you're applying for loans, difficult to get it, or it may take time longer than you think. Your enemies may not want to share anything with you, which is natural, but then they may not actively harm you either. Court cases, lawsuits do not seem to be progressing. They seem to have come to a standstill for at least this month, Scorpio. Okay, your next card. Let's pull out this one. Page of Swords. Be careful that I do see changes in terms of how you think about your partner, whether it be your marriage partner or be your business partner. Some changes in that front too are indicated. Try and avoid any kind of a verbal battle there, verbal exchange, which may turn a little sour. Nine of Swords. Okay. So some kind of ups and downs in life could bring a certain amount of distress, may cause you some worry. And people who are in the occult sciences, people who are into astrology, tarot, etc., there may be a feeling of, some of you may feel connected. You will be approached by people who are in distress, and you may be the guiding light for them. Six of Coins, help coming your way. Especially, we have already seen a little while back that help was coming your way. Six of Pentacles here, and now the Six of Coins. So looks like help is coming your way, especially from your superiors. It could be your boss, could be your father, or a father figure, maybe even a mentor, a guru, or from religious areas. And a lot of help. Sometimes you may feel that things were not happening, but with sheer luck, by the stroke of good luck, things have suddenly worked out. So seems like good luck is favoring you in July. Six of Swords. Again, help at work, which is great. Help from colleagues, and you will also be helping them back. Progress also, travel related to work, job, etc. is also shown. Wheel of Fortune, what a beautiful card in this position. Scorpio, your heart's desires will be fulfilled this month. You will see all projects that had been started in the previous time, and you wanted to, you were eager to see them come to a completion. Now is the time. July is that month where you will see them coming to completion. And this is also a great month for relationship with your elder siblings, with your friends. Also in terms of gains, Ace of Coins. This is interesting. So, you know what I see here? You may actually go to spend money, but instead you will either save or bring home money. This is really interesting. You may actually go to kind of splurge, and you will come back with a plan which helps you earn money. So this is really nice. So Scorpio, I see some very fantastic cards for you over here. Take care of yourselves. We will meet again in another video. Bye-bye.